Yes. So, Maria, tell us what your experiment's about.
It's about test using pH strips.
Okay.
I think.
So you're gonna use pH strips to find out what?
What color they're gonna change in
Okay.
different acids.
So see the acidity level of the cabbage, is that
Yeah.
a purple cabbage?
Would this be good? Would that be good?
Does it look like there's about 25 in there?
Yeah.
Kind of mash it down with the stick and see. Might be.
Yep. Just a little more.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I don't want to put the cookie away. See, I did that. I don't know if that's still water.
Okay. So what's that supposed to do?
It's gonna take the colors off. The
Okay.
hot water? Yeah. It's like tea. You know, when you put the herb in there. And then, Can we make cabbage tea?
Cabbage tea. If you want to drink cabbage water, I suppose you could.
Is it tasty? Can you taste it?
Yeah. It has a taste to it. So you got to do what now? Stir it for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Okay, so what is it you're doing there?
I'm trying to make a thing for the funnel.
Okay.
Wait.
You tell me.
So how much time do you have left?
2 minutes
Okay.
and 23 seconds.
Fucking every day. All day. No shit, this is what I try to lose. How fucking unique is it? Like, what the fuck? It's like not pushing it through, it's pushing it. Okay, maybe I do need to do my best.
So what's the purpose of the filter?
So it doesn't get any other things in it?
Right, so you tore your cabbage up in big enough pieces, but so if you'd have had really tiny pieces, it would be a bigger deal.
test tubes.
Oh my god.
Is this stuck?
Huh?
Is this stuck? Oh wait, never.
No.
Can I take it on?
It's just about done.
Oh, yes, you are.
Okay, so what do you have in your test tubes?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Oh, you put the acid in after you put the water in, or
Yeah.
the stuff in?
Yeah.
So what are you putting in your test tubes besides the cabbage water, your cabbage tea?
We're gonna wait. What?
What are you putting in the test tubes besides?
We're gonna put sodium carbonate, 5 drops of this, and then citric acid, 5 drops,
Okay.
and then the test strips.
Bro, I'm sorry to interrupt, but
Okay.
Fill it up to 3 milliliters.
Okay.
yeah. That's what you're supposed to do. I'm doing this because this is my project. I'm just trying.
So did you start your whole experiment before I could get back there?
Uh,
Did you start your whole experiment before I could get back there?
well, I was just testing it out to see if I knew what I was doing.
Oh, okay.
The first 20 minutes are trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
But,
So, now that I know exactly what I'm doing.
Okay. So now we are gonna put 5 drops.
No, they just magically go away. No.
Yeah, I'll put that.
Dimples don't just go away.
Okay, so now what are you doing?
Now we're gonna get the test strips and we're gonna check the acidic level.
Okay, so what is it that you're expecting to happen?
Change the strips.
So the strips will change. Okay, so which ones, how do you think that they'll change?
A different color.
Okay.
I don't know what color, but they will change. But they won't be the same. I think they won't be the same.
So, okay, so just set that down, yeah.
How are colorblind people supposed to know they're colorblind if everyone tells them that one color is one color? You see this in brown and this is red, right?
Okay, so in this first test tube, what
Wait
did
a
you
second.
put in?
Wait. I forgot one thing. I think I need to put one drop there, like on the toast.
Oh, one drop on each side of another one.
Yeah.
Okay, so which did you put in this one?
I think I put this one.
Okay.
It's like when you wipe off blood, that's what
So my recommendation is that you put the stuff, yep. So the drop there is on the same side as what you put it in on there. Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So now you have to evaluate your strips.
So this strip would be 11, 10.
10 or 11, okay.
Yeah.
So how does it compare to that? So that one is 14, right?
Yeah.
So it's a bit less than that,
Yeah.
okay.
And then this one would be like a 7,
Okay,
which was like the normal one.
okay,
And this one would be probably like a 6.
6,
Yeah.
okay. So if that one is an 11, what does that mean? The one,
It's more acidic.
okay, it's more acidic. And so the one that is just the normal, that is, you said it was a 7?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
So isn't it like basic?
So a 7 is neutral.
Yeah, neutral. Yeah. So that means that there's not a lot of acid in it.
Okay, no
Like
acid.
in the middle?
Mm-hmm, it's in the middle. And then,
This one would be probably less. I think.
so a little bit, so
Just
it's
a teensy bit.
so a little bit basic, okay? So one is what? Basic
Yeah,
or acid?
basic.
Okay. And 14 is acid. So what's that telling us about the cabbage? Is it more basic or more acid?
It's neutral. Because it's in the middle.
Okay,
Both.
so just the regular
Yeah. So
water.
it's gonna be probably like basic.
Okay. So based on your test strips, why did this one only go down just a couple of numbers from like a 5 or a 6? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Okay, so how come it only went to a 5 or a 6, but the other one went clear to a 11 or 12?
Because of the chemicals that I added to it.
Okay, so, but mixed with the cabbage water,
It had more.
so when added to the plain cabbage water, it turned, so the plain cabbage water, so plain cabbage is more, which, acid or base?
Base. Neutral. I mean, acid.
Right, because, okay, so do you know why, so if that is just a few down from neutral at like 5 or 6, but this is way up from neutral, then it means that it's more acidic, right? So cabbage is
More acidic.
more acidic.
Do I throw a